example of NAND gate as XOR gate, means exclusive OR gate. Okay, now we will start as NAND gate as XOR gate. And XOR gate, Boolean function says, the Boolean expression says of XOR gate is, if you are having two inputs A and B, then it will be as Y equal to A bar B plus AB bar, means the complement of first input and of second input plus, means OR gate, first number into complement of second number. Now we have to show this A bar B plus AB bar as NAND gate only, means we have to use only NAND gates to implement it, A bar B plus AB bar. Okay, and we want, because the bar term is there, means complementary term is there, means NOT gate is there. So 1, 2 means A bar and B bar, two NOT gates are there, and A bar into B, A into B bar means two AND gates will be there, and adding plus sign is there means one OR gate is there. And as we know in the previous lecture that NOT gate consumes one NAND gate. It means if you are having two NOT gates, means two NAND gates will be consumed. AND gates consumed two NAND gates. Okay, so 2 into 2, 4 NAND gates are required over here. OR gates is consuming 3 NAND gates. So in totality, XOR gate will consume the 9 NAND gates. Okay, and let's start with the circuit implementation of the exclusive OR gate using NAND gate only. A bar B means we require complement term. I am just removing it. Now A bar B. Let's take A. Okay, because as we have to implement using NAND gate means only NAND gate. We can't use NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate, nothing. So this is the way to put a inverter. Similarly, I will take B and producing B bar. Now A bar is with me, B bar is with me. I want A bar into B. It will become A bar B whole bar because it is NAND gate. And similarly here also I want AB bar. So it is B bar and take a term from A. Now this is A bar B whole complement because it is a NAND gate. Here also it is A B bar whole complement. Okay, now because we want it's AND, so what we will do, we will put a one more NOT gate ahead of this thing. One more NOT gate means same input to a NAND, because double bar equal to same number. So A bar B bar is equal to A bar B. It is A bar and B. Similarly here also, because we are getting AB bar complement form and we want only AB bar, so we are putting it as it is becoming A. Now till this point we have achieved A bar B and AB bar. Now we want a OR term inside these two numbers, and for OR term what we will do, if you remember, we are using 3 NAND gates for the OR gate, that is put a NOT gate ahead of this thing. Here also and then put a NAND gate. It will become a OR gate. Okay, so till this point we have achieved as A bar B. Here then now it will take as A bar B whole bar, and here also A B bar whole bar. Now put a De Morgan's theorem. Okay, you can put a De Morgan's theorem and take this number as first number, this as the second number, and then put a NAND gate of these two numbers. Now you have to put a NAND gate of these two numbers. It is A bar B whole bar and into A B bar whole bar, and NAND gate will become A bar B whole bar, and you can write it whole bar as a tick sign also, into AB bar whole bar again. Or we can write in terms of complemented form. It will be just like A bar B whole bar into A B bar whole bar. Because these are two numbers, then we are taking the NAND gate, we are putting a complemented ahead of this thing. And xy whole bar equal to x bar plus y bar. Okay, and when you will put a De Morgan's theorem over there, you will get it as A bar B plus AB bar. This is the what I have required. That is a exclusive OR gate. Okay, because we have put a De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's theorem says xy whole bar equal to x bar plus y bar. Okay, so double bar will be cancelled, so it will become A bar B plus AB bar. Bar can be written as this way or bar can be written as a top way. So this is the exclusive OR gate, y equal to A XOR B, and the sign of A XOR B can be written as this way also. Now see how many total NAND gates are required. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So total 9 logic gates. Logic gate, I mean to say 9 NAND gates are required for this implementation of exclusive OR gate. Now see, you will see one thing, that 9 NAND gates are too much to implement a exclusive OR gate. And when you go through this circuit carefully, you will see that some parts are repetitive. See, here we are getting A bar B whole bar, here again I am getting A bar B whole bar. Then what is the fun to take these 4 gates again and again? Because we not and not is equal to same number. Then why we are taking the same number again and again? Because if it is A, it is A bar, again it is A. See, it is just like this way, A, and I am getting A bar. Then A bar is the input, we are getting A. If I am getting A, then why we are using these 4 gates? Okay, let's remove these parts. So these 4 NAND gates are useless. Now I am trying to reduce the number of NAND gates, because these 4 NAND gates are just increasing the circuit complexity, nothing else. Because here also we are getting A bar B whole bar, and outside of this thing also we are getting the same thing, A bar B whole bar. And why we are using these 4 gates? Okay, then whatsoever the remaining thing is, let's check whether it is getting the same thing or not. So I am taking here again, I am making the exclusive OR gate using only 5 logic gates. 5 logic gates, I mean to say 5 NAND gates only. Similarly, just like A, we are taking, okay, when you are putting this NAND gate, it will become A bar. Now I am taking B. It is now A bar, it is now B bar. Now I want A bar B and B bar A. So it is taking this A bar and this second input as this way. Just like previously we were doing, nothing new. Everything is same. So bubble form. Here it is B bar and second input will be from the A side. So it is till this point we are getting A bar, B and whole bar. Here also it is A, B bar, okay, whole bar. Now what we will do, we will just put a NAND gate ahead of this thing and we will get the same output, A bar B plus AB bar, because everything is happening over the same way. So here it is A bar B bar into AB bar bar whole bar, and when you will open the in the De Morgan's theorem, you will get A bar B plus AB bar, just like the previous form, nothing else. Just I have removed 4 NAND gates. Why 4 NAND gates been removed? Because they are the redundant logic, means they are repetitive thing. Because whenever you are giving a number and taking a complement form, for example it is A, and you are taking a complement, means it is a NOT gate, you are getting A bar. Okay, and when you are putting one more NOT gate ahead of this thing, this A bar will become A. So what is the logic to put these NAND gates here? That's why we have removed 4 NAND gates out of this previous 9 NAND gate based exclusive OR gates. Now I am having 5 exclusive OR gate using only 5 NAND gates, and I am further trying to remove these 5 NAND gates to a 4 NAND gates, because I see that further I want to reduce it. Now see how we can reduce it further, because actually understand the concept that why we want to reduce it, because as many the number of gates will be there, it will take more wires. If more wires are there, more gates are there, it will take more space. Okay, and if more space is there, power dissipation will be there, and overall the speed will be less, circuit will be complex, and it cost will be more. So our motive is to reduce more and more. Let's try, take a one more try to reduce the further the number of NAND gates. Same thing, exclusive OR gate using reduced number of NAND gates. Let's see if we could succeed in this one also. See, I am taking a NAND gate over here. This is the second NAND gate over there. Instead of taking 2 NAND gates, I am taking a common thing for both. It is A bar, it is put over here. Okay, now it is A, it is B, and here we are producing A, B whole bar, because it is a NAND gate. When you are giving 2 inputs A and B to a NAND gate, you are getting AB whole bar. Now here the inputs are AB bar and A, so it will become A into AB whole bar A into. Similarly here also it is one input is B, second input is AB whole bar, one more complement will be there. Why one more complement will be there? Because it is a NAND gate. Okay, this is the thing. Now we are putting one more NAND gate ahead of this thing. Okay, now we will see what is the output over here. See, here into A into AB bar whole bar, X into Y whole bar is A bar. Let's open it. It will become, see, XY whole bar equal to X bar plus Y bar, De Morgan's theorem. So it will become A bar plus AB double bar, AB bar bar, that is equal to AB. Here also it is XY whole bar is equal to X bar plus Y bar. Here X is B, so it will become B bar plus AB double bar, and AB double bar is always cancelled and it becomes AB only, so it is AB. Okay, and if you remember, the Boolean law says X bar plus XY equal to X bar plus Y. It is a Boolean law. Or you can say A bar plus AB equal to A bar plus B. Here compare this these both expressions. It is A bar plus AB. It will become A bar plus B. Okay, and in second case it will equal to B bar plus A. Okay, now for this NAND gate you are having 2 inputs, A bar plus B and B bar plus A. Similarly, as we are taking in the previous case, same thing are happening over here also. So A bar plus B into B bar plus A whole bar, and whenever you will open the brackets using De Morgan's theorem, you will get a bar b plus ab bar, just like the previous cases. Same, everything is repeating again and again. Just what we have done, instead of taking the a bar and b bar individually, we have taken a ab whole bar, and we have seen that the same output we are getting at this side as we were getting in the case of 9 NAND gates or 5 NAND gates. So our motive is solved. We have reduced the number of NAND gates. Now we can easily get the exclusive OR gate using only 4 gates. Okay, if someone asks you, okay, now it was the exclusive OR gate. Now if it is an exclusive NOR gate, for exclusive NOR gate, it is almost the same thing. The thing is, exclusive NOR gate equal to exclusive OR gate plus complement form. Means exclusive OR gate plus NOT gate. So what you will do, you will just put a NOT gate. And if you remember, in NAND gate, if you put a same value here, then it is equal to it is a NOT gate. Okay. So this is the case. Now you have seen that for exclusive OR gate, we have taken only 4 NAND gates. We have reduced the things, only 4 NAND gates have been taken for this exclusive OR gate. And for exclusive NOR gate, the number of NAND gates will be equal to 5. Because one more NAND gate will be there to make it as a complemented form. So it is all about the NAND gate as the universal logic gate. So in universal logic gate, I have already told you that whenever the NAND gate is acting as a AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Okay, if NAND gate is capable to convert itself as the NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, it means it acts as a universal logic gate. And apart from universal logic gate, I have shown you that how NAND gate can be acted as NOR gate, NAND gate as exclusive OR gate, and NAND gate as exclusive NOR gate. So total number of gates that were required for NOT gate, total number was single. For AND gate, 2 NAND gates are required, and for OR gate, 3 NAND gates are required to implement the, and for exclusive OR gate, total 5 minus 1 equal to 4 NAND gates are required. Previously we have shown 9, then we have shown 5, and now we have reduced to 4. Okay. Then comes NOR logic gate. Just like the NAND logic gate, NOR logic gate is also known as universal logic gate. Okay. Now why universal logic gate? Same thing, that NOR gate is capable to convert itself as AND or NOT, means basic logic gates. NOR gate is the reverse of OR logic gate. See, here we can see that the output is high when both the inputs are low. Okay, that is known as NOR logic gate. And we can easily prove that NOR gate is acting as a universal logic gate, similar manner that we have proved for the NAND logic gate. Okay, here also single NOR gate is required for NOT operation. In this case, 3 NOR gates are required for AND and 2 NOR gates are required for OR. Same way, because OR is NOR plus NOT, so 1 is for NOT, 1 is for NOT, 2 gates for OR gate. Okay, this is all about the NOR as a universal gate.